Hello friends, dear student. Today we will discuss about ozone. Last class we have discussed about oxygen and we know ozone is an allotropic form of oxygen only. So in extension of that we will discuss about ozone. It is allotrope of oxygen, highly reactive. Okay, it is found about 20 kilometer surface above the earth surface, because at sea level at the surface of earth it is highly unstable. Okay, so that's why it is found above 20 kilometer, and we know it protects us from ultraviolet. From sun the ultraviolet rays are coming which are harmful for our skin. These rays cause cancer, skin cancer. So to protect this ozone layer protect us from ultraviolet. How it get prepared? Ozone is prepared by oxygen, atmospheric oxygen, by slow electric discharge. Okay, 3 mole of oxygen convert into 2 mole of ozone. But the process is endothermic, and entropy is also decreases. So we can say the process is uh, non-spontaneous. Okay, but even then ozone is prepared. Structure of ozone. Ozone is found in resonating form. There are 3 atoms of oxygen in which 2 atoms are involved in double bond while one is coordinate bond. This coordinate bond can shift, because when we saw ozone structure there is no difference between oxygen bond, both the bonds are equivalent. So we can say ozone exists in resonating form. So these 2 resonating structures are there, and this one is hybrid structure of ozone. Understand? Now the next point is physical properties. Physical properties of ozone. Ozone shows different color. Okay, that is pure ozone, pale blue in gaseous state, dark blue in liquid state, and violet in solid state. So ozone shows 3 different color. Okay, second, it is highly reactive, highly unstable. Unstable क्यों है? Because ozone, oxygen to ozone, that is endothermic reaction, and highly entropy is also decreases. In reverse form, ozone 2 mole of ozone, 3 enthalpy change will be minus 142 kilojoule per mole, and entropy is also positive. So we can say ozone is thermodynamically highly unstable. Understand? Now the next point is, as ozone is highly unstable, so ozone easily decompose into O2 and oxygen, that is nascent oxygen. Okay, nascent oxygen is used to oxidize other atom or group of atoms. For example, lead sulfide react with ozone, produce lead sulfate plus oxygen. To balance the equation, we'll take 4 here, 4 here. Okay, so it oxidizes lead sulfide to lead sulfate. Other than this, potassium iodide also oxidized from iodide to iodine solid plus oxygen. See here, iodide oxidized to iodine. That iodine we can titrate with sodium thiosulfate, and we can determine ozone quantitatively. सो बोर्ड में कॉमनली क्वेश्चन आता है व्हाट इज क्वांटिटेटिव मेथड टू डिटरमाइन ओजोन, टू एनालाइज ओजोन. So titration, potassium iodide first we treat with ozone that produce iodine, that iodine we titrate with sodium thiosulfate. Okay, now ozone highly reactive
with nitrogen oxide, especially nitric oxide. So if nitric oxide is present in atmosphere, okay, that react with ozone, convert into nitrogen dioxide and produce oxygen, and this is the main cause of depletion of ozone layer. If nitric oxide come in contact with ozone, that convert that into oxygen. So ozone, whenever it will come in contact, that ozone layer get deplete from that place. Other than nitric oxide, freons generally released by air condition and refrigerator. So they are also responsible for depletion of ozone layer. Understand? So this is all about ozone, whichever is given in our syllabus, class 12 syllabus. That whole detail is not there. Okay. So accordingly, we have discussed this. Now, for board exam, either general question, what is resonating structure of ozone, or why ozone is there as a strong oxidizing agent. So this is your assignment also. Why ozone behave as strong oxidizing agent? How ozone determine quantitatively? Okay. Why ozone is thermodynamically unstable? Okay. So these are general questions about ozone, and this is all about ozone. Uses of ozone. Just go through your book and you can